Let's look at question 1 over here. So we have a restaurant that needs waiters. Now there's two types of waiters. There could be people with and without a diploma. Now waiters with diploma are quicker, and therefore the restaurant only needs 2 of them, and they yield sales of 500 euros each per evening. Now if the firm hires waiters without a diploma, it needs 3 waiters, and they yield 300 euros per evening. Now in question A we have that suppose a waiter with diploma costs 100 euros per evening and a waiter without diploma costs 25 euros per evening. Which type of worker will be hired by the restaurant that tries to maximize profits? Now we have the data over here. So with diploma we have either 2 people, or without diploma we have 3 people. We have revenues and costs for each. Let's work out the math to see what's going to be the profit in each case. So for instance, for the waiters with diploma, what revenue do we expect? Well, we have 2 people to hire that generate us 500 euros each, meaning that the revenues would be equal to 2 multiplied with 500, and that would equal to 1000. Now, what would be the corresponding cost? Well, let's see. The cost would be, again, for 2 people, and we have to pay them 100 euros per night. So that would be 2 multiplied with 100, and that's equal to 200 euros in cost. Now, what's going to be the profit from this? Well, that's just going to be the difference between the revenues and the costs, so the difference between 1000 and 200, and that gives us a profit of 800 euros. So that would be 800 euros for the waiters with diploma. Now let's see what happens for the waiters without the diploma. What revenue do we expect there? Well, we would have 3 people that generate us 300 euro each, so we would have 3 times 300, and that would be 900 euros in revenue. Now what would be the cost from that? Well, we would have 3 people who we have to pay 25 euros each, so we would have a cost of 3 times 25, and that would be 70 euros in costs. Now the profit would be again the difference between revenues and costs, and we would get a profit of 900 minus 75. So 900 minus 75, that would be 825. What we can see is that 825 is higher than 800, meaning that we are going to hire 3 waiters without diploma, and we are done.